Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, I've got the brand new Mooncool CG2 Cargo Style e-bike, and I'm getting ready to take it out for its first ride, so I thought I'd bring you along. Let's go for a ride, and then I'll share a few things with you about it. All right, whew, here we go. This came in much better than what I was expecting. I'm going to tell you that right here. For a cargo style e-bike, I wasn't expecting a whole lot, but yeah, this is pretty nice. So far, I'm real happy with the quality. I'm happy with the features. Yeah, so here we are. We're cruising along. We're in pass 3 right now. I've got it in 7th gear over here. I've still got some pedal, so I'm not ghost pedaling yet. I am kind of pedaling at a faster pace, though. So that tells me it's probably got the 14 by 28 gear set on there. This bike is a 20-mile-an-hour bike, but you can unlock it, I am told, to make it go 25. I haven't done that yet. This is my first ride. One of the things I like about it, motor is quiet. It just barely hums along. You can barely hear it. And it's got street tires, and I'll show you those in a few minutes. And those street tires make it super quiet too, so you don't hear much of anything with this thing coming down the road. So you could sneak up on someone almost. Getting back to that motor, so it's a 750 watt motor. This thing has some giddy up. When it decides it's gonna go, it's gonna go. And I'll show you that here in just a moment too. Right. But as far as the just riding the bike, yeah, it feels good. I like cargo style e-bikes too. I don't have too many of them on the channel. So I always get excited when I get one in, because they're unique, they're utilitarian. You can use them for so many different things. And I think, I think cargo style e-bikes there's probably a preference for a lot of folks, especially young families, because you got kids and you want to take them along with you, and a cargo style e-bike allows you to do that if you have the accessories to do it. So that's a huge plus. Just got it assembled. My daughter Emma was helping me with that task. Went together pretty easy. Not much to it, in fact. Like most, you just had to put on the front wheel and mount the handlebars up here. And everything else was pretty much done for you. Now, unlike some of the other Mooncool products, this battery came with the bike. So oftentimes Mooncool ships the battery separately from their trikes. But with this one, yeah, I was surprised because the battery is already mounted and ready to go. All right, so let's show you a few things about this thing right here. This is just a mini review. I'll be doing a full review after we've gotten real familiar with it. But up here in the front, we do have the LED integrated headlight like you would expect. We got the wiring is wrapped pretty good right here, although we do have a tangled something here. I'm going to have to try to figure that out. I don't like how this one droops down so much, and maybe it just needs to be pushed back into the bike frame. There we go. Something like that probably would do it. Yeah, but I'm going to see if I can do something to clean that up just a little bit. Over here we've got these street tires, and these are a Arison K rubber. I'm not familiar with the brand, but I do like these tires a lot. So those are real nice. Up here we do have rigid forks, so we do not have the suspension forks on this, and there's going to be more discussion about that later. Hi.
What is that?
Beautiful. Beautiful doggy.
Some bikes kind of freak her out. I don't know why.
Oh, is that right?
She just doesn't know what it is, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. Hi.
Hi.
You friendly? Yeah? Thank you. You smell my doggy, probably. Yeah? Bye-bye. Take care. Also, up here on the front, we do have a connection for a basket, so that is good to see right there. We have this double down tube combo right here, which I like because it adds the extra support. It allows for a smaller frame here, but it still gives you the extra support. This bike came with a water bottle holder. Let's see, the battery is a 20 amp hour battery, and you can see this frame back here is pretty robust. I mean, it's all part of the bike, and that's one of the things I like about cargo style bikes. Another thing that I really like, and that is just how long this thing is. This thing is crazy long. Again, I'll get the measurements for you in another video, but you can do a lot back here, and it looks like there's connection points here for maybe 2 car seats, okay? So two child seats. And I do like on here, attachment points here are threaded. And sometimes you don't see that on cargo style bikes, that they don't have these threaded inserts, and it just makes it a lot harder, because then when you're trying to attach something, you got to hold the washer and a nut underneath on the underside here, and it just makes things so much harder. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of the build. I think the bike looks great. We have the A-frame kickstand down here, Shimano Altus derailleur with the derailleur guard. Interesting frame design right here. Haven't quite seen that too much before. Moving on back here, we do have some from shipping damage. So our taillight is busted up right here, ready to fall off. But hey, it does have an integrated taillight with blinkers, so we're happy to see that. And we're hoping to get that replaced real soon. Let's go ahead and jump up here and look at the cockpit area. I like these style of grips. These are my favorite. Plus it has the palm rest right here. We have a horn. We have our blinkers. You can barely see those. That could be just part of the problem with the taillight being busted though. Standard Mooncool display with the bar graph for the pedal assist settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A bell that was included with the bike, and the 7-speed Shimano shifter with a twist throttle. Do have hydraulic brakes. This is the Star Union brakes. They're working very well. Happy with those so far. No noise, no squeaks, no squeals, anything like that. So overall, a pretty sharp looking bike, especially with that color the way it is, right? Let's get on it and ride some more, and I'm going to share a couple more things with you. Again, this is just a mini review. This is my first time riding it. Just a crazy amount of kick there on the throttle. Let's just start out pedaling. Get the pedal in here. Ooh, there we go. Pedal assist 1 gets you about 10 miles an hour, but you feel it because it's got some punch. There we go. So we're going to cruise right here. We're cruising nice. We're going to pump it up into pedal assist 2. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's got some punch to it, so it's kind of fun. Hey, this is kind of turning into a full review, isn't it? I shouldn't be doing this. Pedal assist 3. Oh, I hit the horn by accident there. My mistake. My display over here is a little loose. I need to tighten that up. So there's 3. It's almost 16 miles an hour. Pedal assist 4. Another nice little kick there. We're going up to 18 miles an hour. And then pedal assist 5. Another little punch there as we jump on up to about 19 and a half or so, 20. And I can pedal at 20. I just got to pedal pretty quick. So just be aware of that. This is a cadence sensor bike. This time we're just going to pump it down to pedal assist 1. We're going to do throttle only, see what she does. Looks like we're going to have the full throttle in pedal assist 1, which I always prefer that. My teeth rattled right going across those bumps. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so 19.9 miles per hour, throttle only. That's in pedal assist 1, so that's my style of riding. I like to have full throttle, no matter what pedal assist I'm in. So this is really cool. I'm going to go back, figure out how to unlock this bike so I can go ahead and bump it up to 25 miles per hour. Is probably what it's going to end up at, I'm guessing, because their other bike, the MC3, you can unlock that one to 25. And I think a lot of people appreciate being able to go at least 25. Some, even like myself, even would prefer to go the full 28 mile an hour, which is the legal speed limit in most places. But that's okay. I'm still happy with 25. When I'm just cruising around, I'm usually just cruising around 14 or 15 anyway, so not that big of a deal. Yeah, so that's going to be it for this mini review. I think I'll call it that too, just a mini review, just kind of getting you familiar with it. Again, I'm going to be doing a full review after I've spent some time with this bike and ridden it several times. So be looking for that in maybe about a week or so. If you have any questions in the meantime, drop them down below. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you can return and see the full review on this Mooncool CG2 and all the other fine products that we promote and get a chance to test and review on our channel. So until then, you guys ride responsibly and ride safe.